Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Analytics with Nan. In this video, we are going to discuss about another important time intelligence function which is total QTD. What is total QTD? When do we use it? Let us discuss them in detail. QTD stands for quarter to date. It evaluates the total QTD function, evaluates the quarter to date value of the expression in the current context, which means, for example, whatever the expression you pass, in this case, if you take an example of sum of sales amount, it calculates from the quarter, the starting of the quarter till the date that the date argument you pass. For instance, if the today's date is 24th May 2024, start from the starting of the quarter, 1st of April till this date. It is going to calculate and evaluates and give you as a result. Let's get on to Power BI and let's see how we can implement. I've got a sales table here. Let me expand the factor and sales. Let me bring a table into Canvas and add order date, sales amount. I don't want to show this in order date in the hierarchical manner. Let me show that in the dot date format. Yep. And increase the value from 10 pixel to 20 pixel. Let me change the same thing for a column header as well. Right. This sales amount will show you their daily sales starting from the 1st of July 2005 all the way till the last date. Okay. Okay. Let's add the total QTD and see the results how it is going to look like. For that, I'm going to add a measure in the fact internet sales table. Click on three dots, select a new measure here, provide a measure name. I'm going to provide sales QTD as a measure name is equal to use the function total QTD. If you see the syntax expression, so I'm going to use the expression of sum of sales and the date. I'm going to choose the date as order date. And this filter, as it is in the square bracket, it is optional. Even if you don't pass the filter, still that will be validated. So the expression I'm going to give sum of sales amount from fact internet sales table, close. The date I'm going to pass as order date, close. This will give you quarter to date sales amount. Measure created. Let me bring that measure into the table. Yeah. If you see, the sales amount shows daily sales. Okay, 14,000, 13,000, 15,000, and so on. But if you see the QTD, sales QTD will show you for 1st July 14,000, 2nd July 14 plus almost 14,000, which is 28,000, and so on. But it calculates till the quarter end. Okay, till the quarter end. For example, if they start July, this if you see, right, April, May, June is one other second quarter. July, August, September is third quarter, right? It ends on the 30 September. Let's go to 30 September. See here. So this amount, it is a cumulative value from the 1st of July till 30th September. That is the third quarter value. It cumulatives and shows you the result. On 1st October, the value is going to be reset. It shows starts from here again. And it again adds up the values, daily sales as a cumulative shows till the fourth quarter end, which is the 31st December, right? 18 lakh amount. So this is the QTD. Okay. So it adds up the value, whatever is the value, it adds up for quarter to till the date. For example, the date is 29 September, right? From the fourth quarter starting till 29th September, it will show you, adds up and shows the value. That is quarter to date. Hope you understand the concept. Please do subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.